Okay, let me try to make it short video. So I was working on code automation for this game where I am a healer. The only thing I need to do is to heal and cycle through all my skills. I have made the hotbar a little bit bigger so it's easier to see, and some other stuff that you probably want to see what's going on. So if I run my script now, there is a slight delay, so I have enough time to click on the game screen. And there's something now happening. I can walk around while the script is running because you can actually walk around and jump around because the skills, some skills require you to stand still, but most of them not. So what it does now, it probably you can see in the bottom left corner, it does the healing cycle, healing rotation. It's rotating through all the party members by healing every one of them, because you need to keep the healing boost to 3 or something. This is interesting thing in this game, I don't know why. But every character needs to be healed 3 times and then they have a maximum boost of healing. Something. And as soon as the other skills that has a longer cooldown are available, they will be executed. Yeah, and it goes back into the rotation of the healing. Also, there is times that I want to check what's on the ground, and for that I need to click shift and hold. When I click shift and hold, I can see the items on the ground, and when I'm doing this, the script stops, because if I will be clicking something, I don't want a script to interfere with what's going on now. And as soon as I let go shift, it goes back into where it has stopped and continues running, doing its thing. There was a problem with the skill number 4. Skill number 4 didn't want to... Okay, why doesn't go? That's weird. Skill bar, the the big skill bar I made, it doesn't update. Now it updates. So I had a problem with the skill number 4. It didn't want to trigger. Skill number 5 and 6 triggers okay, but skill number 4 didn't want to trigger. And then I found out that the healing cycle that the script is going over by clicking skill number 1 is way too common. Skill number 1 got prioritized all the time instead of skill number 4. And for me to make skill number 4 triggerable, I had to add confidence parameter. So the confidence of the skill number 4 is a little bit lower, easier to see that the skill is available, because as soon as the skill lights up and it's available, it should be clicked. And healing, I set confidence level higher, so it's harder to see that the healing is ready. So let's stop this. By the way, we have a function to stop the script by clicking Ctrl Q. It's terminating the script by finishing the last cycle or something. There, and it stopped now. So we can go a little bit over the script. Probably some stuff I don't know because I got help with AI. So I had to import PyAutoGUI for image recognition. No, for clicking, I think. I'm probably image recognition. I don't remember. Yeah, image recognition. Time, this threading, keyboard inputs from a number recognize, import recognize number from screen. This is another script I have written, but that script was basically written by AI because I was too it was too complicated for me to understand how the image how the text recognition works, because if you didn't saw, there was a party size number, the party size that checks how many party members are there and goes over the cycle, 6 party members, 6 heals, so on. So I wanted to scrape that party number. So I was trying to introduce the here class. Image localization is the class system where it looks for image name, left top, width, height, and confidence level. I think this is just added, so if something is not available, it will creates a search region to find that one, find the image, to find the image where it is, and returns us the image location when I first was trying to find where is the image on the screen. And then I added some padding around the image so it has extra space in case the screen is resized or something by a slightly bit. But in reality, the screen needs to be exactly the same size as mine. This is some stuff that I need. I don't really know what it does. The countdown timer was a fun thing that before, as soon as you start the script, it counts down to 3 seconds, 3 ticks. It shows that it's loading, and then I need to go on the screen. Click key is just a clicking, clicks the key. What key? It depends what key is available by checking what's the image. Check and use the skills, so it checks the image. This is a shift key is not pressed. Prints a message if the shift key is pressed. Keyboard is pressed, but it's just additional information if the key is pressed or not. So we look for the image, file, image location, name, coordinates, confidence, image get confidence. I think this is the default, but if there's other numbers, it uses other numbers, and it takes information from a dictionary. It's all the way in the bottom. So if it finds that image, it clicks the image and uses also the cooldown from the image that it has in a dictionary. There is one skill that has a big cooldown. Check the long cooldowns. It checks the images every time it heals. I think every time it heals, it checks the image. Not every cycle, because those buffs are kind of important to have them on as soon as possible. So it checks only 6, 5, and 4. This is the last 3 skills that has a longer cooldown. Healing a single target, so it just checks if the healing image is available and clicks healing. Yeah, it should use healing first from check and use skill, and then it should click X. X is switch targets. Then it's short delay. The party size, it's just checks the coordinates in here. Text to recognize from screen, it's coming from another function, another script written by AI mostly. Extracts the valid number. extracts and returns, cleans the text, removes a lot of crap as I understand. The range of the number I said is from 1 to 11, so only to check for the number is it either 1, either 10, because the party maximum is 10, minimum is 1, and it should return only one number of a party size. Heal party size. Dynamic party is then I think this is still the same. Yeah, it's a counter also. It counts how many times it healed the party. It should heal the party size number. By default is 6. And after that, it checks how many party members are there, and it will heal again the same amount. It's healing, and if healing is done, it should check the long cooldown skills and use them. Termination with the Control Q, it should start execute termination of the script. The script is running. Termination will make it not running. Shift key pauses it. And this is the dictionary where there's a skill name, location of the image skill, coordinates where that image should be. I also wanted to figure out how to do it. The script itself checks the image, its location, and it sets the key, what key it is in. If it's location 1, then the key is 1. Then there is a skill cooldowns. Cooldown 0, 1 is actually, there's no cooldown. I just added one just in case. And the last skill has a cooldown of 2.3, but I added 2.4 because 2.3, it's too quick. And then there is a confidence levels. The first skill has the highest confidence level, while the other has a smaller. The smaller the level, the easier they notice that the image is there. The image, yeah, recognition is not accurate, less accurate. So it's easier to recognize the image. If I set it lower, then even if the image is not ready, I mean the image is still gray, skill is gray, and there's numbers over it, it still recognizes, and I don't want that. There's a few more skills that I'm not using in here. Termination thread, yeah, to terminate. And this is while running, check long cooldown. Skills, heal party. This is where everything probably happens. But this is very, very not very good. It's not bad. I wouldn't do anything even with AI help 50 days ago or before I started Python. The Python basics helps me to understand a little bit how everything works. But I don't know if you enjoy it or not. Let me know what you think about it.